Hello bachcho. The question says is describe the method to determine the specific latent heat of vaporization of water using a calorimeter. Here the key concept for the question is latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization. So first these some steps to determine the latent heat of vaporization of water are: the first one is a calorimeter, a calorimeter with stirrer, a calorimeter with stirrer is taken and it is weighted weighted. Then some water is poured into the calorimeter. Then mass and temperature mass and temperature of a stirrer, calorimeter and water is taken. तो कैलोरीमीटर स्टीरर के साथ हम लेते हैं, उसको वे करते हैं इनिशियल, एंड देन फिर हम कुछ पानी डालते हैं कैलोरीमीटर में, एंड फिर उसका मास और टेम्परेचर वे करते हैं, मेजर करते हैं. तो स्टीम, while boiling, steam is generated in a steam generator, and the temperature of steam is noted. हम steam के temperature को note करते हैं, कितना temperature है. For certain time, steam is passed into the calorimeter, containing water. कुछ समय के लिए स्टीम को हम पास करते हैं कैलोरीमीटर जिसमें पानी भरा हुआ है उसके थ्रू. देन द फाइनल मिक्सचर इज स्टिर, फाइनल मिक्सचर को स्टिर किया जाएगा. देन द टेम्परेचर and mass of final mixture, then the temperature and mass of final mixture are taken. Now let's see how we can find out the latent heat of vaporization here. For it, let us consider some parameters, that is mass 1 here is mass of calorimeter and stirrer. The mass 2 here is mass of calorimeter, stirrer and water. Then MW here is mass 1 minus mass 2, that is mass of water only. Then mass 3 is mass of calorimeter, stirrer, water and steam, and here M is equals to M3 minus M2 is equals to mass of steam only. Then theta 1 is the temperature of water stirrer and calorimeter. Theta 2 is the temperature of steam, and theta is the temperature of mixture. And SC is the specific heat capacity of calorimeter. SW is specific heat capacity of water, and LV is the latent heat of vaporization. Then by principle of calorimetry, heat loss is equals to heat gain. Here the heat loss will be mass times of latent heat of vaporization plus mass times of specific heat capacity of calorimeter times of theta 2 minus theta is equals to mass of water, specific heat capacity of water, theta 1 minus theta plus M1, specific heat of calorimeter, theta 1 minus theta. On solving it, we get latent heat of vaporization comes out to be mass of water, specific heat of water plus mass 1, specific heat of calorimeter times of theta 1 minus theta minus mass times of specific heat of water times of theta 2 minus theta divided by M. This is the answer. I hope you understand this question well. Thank you.